Once upon a time, in the mystical land of Eldoria, there lived a magnificent and enchanting dragon named Sparkle. Sparkle was no ordinary dragon. He was blessed with magical powers that made him stand out among the creatures of Eldoria. His scales shimmered in hues of iridescent blue, and his wings. One sunny morning, Sparkle woke up feeling an unusual tingling in his claws. It was a magical message from the wise old wizard, Merlin the Magnificent. The message revealed that the balance of magic in Eldoria was at risk, and only Sparkle could save the land from an impending darkness. Excited and determined, Sparkle spread his majestic wings and soared into the skies. Guided by the magical energy, he ventured deep into the enchanted forest, where mystical creatures and ancient trees whispered secrets of the impending danger. Sparkle learned that a wicked sorceress named Morgana H. With newfound knowledge, Sparkle set off on an epic quest to retrieve the sacred crystal and restore balance to Eldoria. Along the way, he encountered a cast of characters, including the mischievous pixie Pippin, the wise old Alorla, and the brave knight Sir Cedric. Together, they formed an unlikely. As Sparkle and his newfound friends journeyed through the enchanted forest, crossed treacherous mountains, and navigated the crystal caves, they discovered the true strength of friendship and the power of unity. Each member of the group contributed their unique abilities to help Sparkle face the trial. Finally, after a series of magical battles and cunning traps, Sparkle confronted Morgana in the heart of the Forbidden Castle. With bravery and the combined magic of the sacred crystal, Sparkle defeated Morgana and banished the darkness that loomed over Eldoria. The land rejoiced, and Sparkle was hailed as a hero. The sacred crystal was returned to its rightful place, and the enchanting dragon's magical powers were celebrated throughout Eldoria. Sparkle, now a legendary figure, continued to soar through the skies, ensuring that magic and harmony prevailed. And so, the tale of Sparkle the Enchanted Dragon became a cherished story told to young dragons, pixies, and creatures across Eldoria, reminding them of the enduring magic that exists in friendship, courage, and the pursuit of goodness.